Do you think like life keeps pulling from all the directions? Then let's take few minutes today to find your center, to build your focus and bring back your balance on the mat as well as in your life within yourself. Namaste everyone. Welcome to day 5. Today we will discuss about few balancing poses जो सिर्फ आपके बॉडी को बैलेंस नहीं करेंगे लेकिन आपके बॉडी के साथ साथ आपके माइंड को भी बैलेंस करेंगे और जब ये दोनों प्रैक्टिस साथ में होगी तो आपकी लाइफ का बैलेंस ऑटोमेटिक आएगा. सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Before we start balancing poses, let's do some warm up. Neck rotation. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Clockwise. Then anti-clockwise. Let's stretch both the side. Let's rotate our shoulder. Because we are going to involve all these parts in our practice, and when we are involving all the parts of the body, first we should do warm up always. Then let's do few stretches of side bending over the head. Keep doing it for few seconds. Just stretch it both the side. Keep smile on your face and let's start. Before we start our practice, keep in the mind, अगर आपका कहीं पर बैलेंस जाता है then too it is okay. आराम से उसको एक्सेप्ट करो और वापस अपने रियल पोजीशन में आ जाना है. सो सबसे पहले हम ताड़ासन करेंगे. That is the base of all the balancing position. Ground yourself. Feel that you are attached with the ground. Ground के साथ आप एकदम attach हो. Stable your body. Stabilize it. Breathe in, breathe out. This is the Tadasana. Now we will do variation in that. Simply inhale, hands up. Now go higher. Select one point where you can gaze and find your balance. For a few seconds, pull it up and slowly come down. Next we will do tree pose. First of all, we will do with right leg. So ground your left leg to the ground. Find your balance. Then slowly take your right leg, right foot up and fix to the thigh. कोई भी एक पॉइंट डिसाइड करो, मूवेबल ना हो वैसा पॉइंट जो एकदम स्थिर हो. उसके बाद इनहेल करते हुए दोनों हाथों के ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाइए. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट. अब आप इसमें जितना डीप ब्रीद इन कर सकते हो उतना कीजिए. आप एकदम ग्राउंडेड एंड बैलेंस्ड फील करोगे. ये बहुत ही पावरफुल प्रैक्टिस है. जब भी आप ये करोगे आप देखोगे कि आपका माइंड एंड आपका बॉडी दोनों मिलके काम कर रहा है. कीप स्माइल ऑन द फेस. नाउ लिटिल वेरिएशन इन दिस. फ्रॉम हियर टेक योर राइट हैंड ऑन द राइट thigh and the left hand above and little bit move towards the right and come back. Nice. Put your foot on the thigh of your right leg. Inhale, hands up. Select one point. Find your balance. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Now little variation. Take your left hand to the left thigh, right hand over your head and move left side and find your balance. It's okay, balance जाता है तो भी वापस बैलेंस में आ जाना है. Enjoy the positions and come back. इट इज सो रिलैक्सिंग। और उससे भी ज्यादा आप लिटरली फील करोगे कि सब कुछ एक अलाइनमेंट में आ रहा है। उसके बाद हम करेंगे गरुड़ आसन। ग्राउंड योर राइट फुट, बेंड योर बॉडी लिटिल बिट एंड ट्विस्ट योर लेफ्ट leg to the right. Now right hand up and turn around with the left and go down as much as you can. Normal breathe in, breathe out, find the balance and relax. Do it opposite side. Ground your left foot. Now twist with the right. Find the balance. Then take your left hand and turn around with the right. Go lower as much as you can. Normal breathe in, breathe out and relax. Now from here, go into the tabletop position. Ground yourself. दोनों हाथों के बीच में उतनी जगह रखिए जितनी आपके कंधों के बीच में है. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now, take your left hand little bit inside and right hand forward. Along with right hand, take your left leg up and try to find the balance between your hand and leg and keep your body in the balance. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your body fully. Come back. Do it opposite side. Left hand, right leg. Keep balance. When you are doing these asanas, keep your breathing normal. जितना normal breathe in, breathe out करोगे उतना जल्दी balance मिलेगा. Keep doing it. Look forward. Slowly come back and relax. If you like the flow and you like the energy and if you're able to find your balance, please let me know in the comment. I would like to read your experience. अगर आपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकॉन. See you on the mat tomorrow. Namaste.